Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven Janelle and I'm back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did these barrel rolls on natural hair. Honestly, this was my first time trying this style and I think it came out pretty good. I did learn some things along the way, so I'm going to make sure to include it in this video so you guys don't make the same mistakes that I did. If you want to see how I did these barrel rolls, please keep watching. So I had started out by parting the hair straight down the middle, and now I'm on the side doing another part down the middle basically. And now I'm just going to split that section on the side into two. And by the way, I only used two products to achieve this style, some Shine and Jam and some locking gel. So I'm going to link both of those products down in my description, so make sure to check it out. So since I am doing this style on natural hair, I'm going to have to comb twist his hair. And I'm first starting out by just parting where I want my comb twist to be, so that instead of going back and forth and, you know, parting and twisting, I can just part all my sections out and then just go back and then twist all of them. So y'all, this is where I actually made my first mistake. So when it comes to comb twisting the hair, you actually want to twist in an anti-clockwise direction instead of going clockwise like the way that I twisted. Like, as you can see, I twisted forward like towards his face. You actually want to twist the opposite way, like towards the back of the head. And that way it will make it look more neat when you do the barrel rolls. So yeah, that was my first mistake, but I realized like halfway through that it would look better to twist it counterclockwise, and I ended up doing it on the other side and it looked way better than that side did. Also, if you feel like this video is sped up a little too fast to where you can't see how to do the comb twist, I actually have a full video showing how to do comb twist on my channel. I will actually include it in this video, so you can just click it after you finish watching this one. But yeah, be sure to check it out if you struggle with comb twist. So now that that section is done, I'm going to start working on the other section. And I'm literally just going to repeat the same steps that I just did, where I parted out each part where I want my comb twist to be, and then I go back in and I comb twist it, and then I'll show you how to do the barrel roll. So I'm going to explain what I'm doing, but it's a little bit easier to just watch, and feel free to slow down the video if you need to. But yeah, so I'm just starting out with like a regular 2-strand twist for the first 2 strands, and then you want to grab 1 strand from each side, and basically I wrapped it around my finger just to make sure the root is still, you know, tight. And then I'm going to wrap it around the roll, around the 2-strand twist that I just started. I'm going to wrap that strand around that one, and then I'm going to pull another strand from the other side and wrap that one around it. I'm just going to keep doing that back and forth, making sure to switch sides, alternate each side. And you just want to make sure you're wrapping it around the whole roll. Don't just cross them over. Make sure you're wrapping it under too, so that it can be secure and stays in place. So this is when I realized it would be better to comb twist counterclockwise. So you'll see that I'm twisting towards the back of his head. Like I'm twisting away from the face, if that makes sense. I don't really know how to explain it, but if you can see, you can tell that before I was twisting towards my right, but this time I'm twisting towards my left. And instead of the comb being on top when I comb twist, I put it on the bottom and then I twist to the left. That's the right way that you want to do it. You don't want to twist towards the right, because when you do the barrel roll, it's not going to look as neat and as sleek as it could be. So yeah, learn from my mistakes. So again, with the barrel roll, I'm just starting off with 2-strand twist, and then I'm going to take a twist from each side, wrap it around my finger, and just cross it over the barrel roll. And then I'm going to wrap it under the twist, and I'm just going to keep doing that, alternating sides. And you'll see at the end, but this side came out way better than the other side did, because this is when I realized it would be better to comb twist in the opposite direction. So yeah. As for the ends, I'm just using a rubber band to make sure that they stay in place and that they don't unravel. And then for the front, he just wanted like a 2-strand twist, so that's what you're about to see me do. And yeah, I'm gonna include some pictures at the end of how it came out. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Even though this was my first time, do you think it was a win? Do you think it was a fail? Do you think that barrel twists only only belong on locked hair and not natural hair? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. But with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.